Mother Nature is constantly purifying the air we breathe. But how? Thunderstorms, wind, and lightning purify outdoor air by removing fine particles and other impurities. Ultraviolet energy from the sun purifies air by removing germs, odors, gases, and other contaminants. The result is clean, pure, healthy air. Unfortunately, Mother Nature's processes that occur naturally outdoors aren't present in our indoor environment. In fact, we've made great efforts to keep Mother Nature out of our homes by sealing windows and doors to make buildings more energy efficient. Without adequate ventilation, pollutants such as insecticides, paints, cooking odors, and deodorizers become trapped indoors, which can make contaminant levels even worse. A typical central heating and cooling system recirculates over 1 million cubic feet of air each day. That air includes unfiltered dust particles, germs, gases, and contaminants that we breathe over and over again. When we breathe this kind of air, it can cause allergic reactions and triggers more serious health problems like asthma and respiratory ailments. The solution is to treat the cause, not the symptoms, with a complete indoor air cleaning strategy. Pristine Air can help you control all types of airborne contaminants and create a cleaner, fresher, and healthier indoor air environment. Regular air filters are designed to protect your heating and cooling equipment from large particles, but do nothing for smaller airborne contaminants that we breathe. The solution is a polarized media air cleaner installed in your central HVAC system. Particles entering the duct system are attracted to and trapped on the charged fibers and carbon pad. In fact, this system is so effective, it captures 97% of particles in the air we breathe. Ultrafine particles that may pass through the air cleaner also become polarized and join together, making them easier to collect on the next pass. We live and breathe in a world full of invisible microorganisms. These are the primary causes of colds and flu and can trigger allergies and other illnesses. A dual wavelength, high output UVC/UVV air purification system is the ultimate solution to control germs and odorous gases in our indoor air environment. As germs, gases, and other microorganisms come in contact with the rays from the UVC/UVV germicidal lamp, the germs are sterilized while the gases are neutralized and are no longer a threat. For industrial-strength odor and gas control, the VOC3 Bypass HEPA air cleaning system uses an activated carbon module. As air passes through the central heating and cooling system, it's filtered with a super high-efficiency HEPA filter and an activated carbon matrix. Together, they remove 99.97% of the particles and toxic chemicals in the air you breathe. Pristine Air UVC/UVV and HEPA air purification systems. Your ultimate solution for cleaner, fresher, healthy air.